We have been working on the new dispatch tasks page and it is ready now. Dispatch task page is used for assigning tasks to the employees and it is easier here to get the task grouped by pool, team or an employee and assign them to the employees by dragging and dropping. This page allows the users to search specific tasks or employees, view the employees' availability and the workload. This helps the users to pick the right employee for the assignment and assign or reassign the task to them. Before looking into the new page, let's take a look at the existing page. Existing page allowed the users to search and filter the tasks with various filters available, and users were able to search the employees as well, and they were able to filter the employees with overdue tasks. The tasks were grouped by the search filters user had selected, and users were able to drag and drop one task at a time and assign the task to a particular employee. Existing page user had to refresh or search again to get the new task or remove the tasks which were already assigned or removed from these groups, which was making some performance issues. It was taking too much time or it got stuck because multiple people are trying to do the same thing. And the new page with a vibrant user interface, it is fast, user friendly and mobile friendly. Users will be able to configure their task groups that can be a pool, a team or an employee. The users will be able to search the tasks and filter them by various filters available here. User will be able to refresh these tasks and will be able to sort them by various sorting options provided here. The new page resolves the problem of refreshing this task list manually with the real-time updates. If a task is assigned to this group, or if the assignment of this group is removed from a task, it refreshes the group automatically. In a period of time, the task will be populated in this group or it will be removed immediately from this group. Each of these tasks also has some actions. User will be able to click on view task, which will open in a new tab, and the user will be able to view the customer assignments, and user will be able to assign this task for themselves, and they want to dispatch a task or assign a task to an employee manually, they will be able to click on the dispatch, which will allow them to select an employee on the right side, which will assign the task to that particular employee. And this page also allows the user to select multiple tasks and drag them to an employee and assign all those tasks to that dropped employee here. To configure the groups, users can click on this gear icon. User will be able to select a pool, team, members of team, manager, or an employee. Selecting a members of team or a manager will add the employees related to that manager or employees related to the team as a group into the task side. By default, the first group, which has the tasks, will be expanded. User will be able to expand or collapse any other group if they want. On the employee side, user will be able to configure task calculation, appointment calculation, or task display settings, which will be displayed on the workload models. The employee cards on the right side are responsive. The area size can be adjusted. The employees can be filtered by various filters available here, and the list can be sorted by the name, number of tasks, task budget, appointments, and appointment hours, and the total as well. User will be able to view the employee profile summary by clicking on the name. Employee workload details can be viewed by clicking on these numbers. Clicking on the task count will show the list of tasks, and the appointments count will show the list of appointments related to this user. By default, it shows only the tasks which are in open status, and the start date of this task or creation date of this task is on or before today. The appointments related to these employees can be viewed from here, and it shows only the appointments which are scheduled for today, and the type of that appointment has been set to include for the workload. User can change this configuration by going to the settings, and they can include on-hold tasks, or they can include all appointment types irrespective of the settings for the workload calculation. User also can select various display options. It will show the information for selected display options here in the task workload details. Further, I would like to show how the existing and the new page are displayed in a mobile view. The existing page shows both of the sections in single view, where the task section is hidden by default. User can expand, select the task, and you can select an employee to assign the task. Whereas in the new page, it will show the left side, the task side by default. User will be able to go to the employee side by clicking on this icon, or they will be able to go back to the task side by clicking on the task icon. For assigning a task, users can select the dispatch option available for the task, which will show a message on the top. The dispatch can be cancelled, which will bring the user back to the task side. Or user can dispatch the task and go and select an employee on the right side that will assign the task to that selected employee. We also have done real-time updates to the employee cards. It shows the availability of the employee using a halo design. If the employee is currently working, and it shows a green halo design, or if the employee's shift is about to finish, then it will show an yellow halo design. And the employees are not available at the current time will not be highlighted with any of the design available.